Children, I would like you to suggest to keep your textbook in front of you and note down the important points in it. So, now let's begin with this lesson. A synopsis: The Swiss Family Robinson. Now, this is the manuscript, which means handwritten story of Johann Wyss. So, in this lesson, we have been given a short summary of its basic story. The name of the lesson suggests that this is the story of a Swiss family, and the name of the family is Robinson. The Swiss family Robinson is a well known adventure novel. Well known means famous. Adventure novel. Children, you must have read or heard about many adventure novels like Alice in Wonderland, your most favorite one, the Harry Potter, the Wonderful Wizard of Oz, etc. These are the adventure novels. Likewise, the Swiss Family Robinson is also a adventure novel. So, The Swiss Family Robinson is a well known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed it for more than 200 years. So, the story was written many years back, and nearly from 200 years or more than 200 years, people of different countries are enjoying this novel. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. The novel, written by Swiss clergyman Johann David Wyss, is not just an adventure. Children, clergyman. Clergyman means priest. Okay? Now, clergyman is a compound word formed of two words, clergy and man. Now, this novel is not just an adventure, but it aims at teaching young people values like self reliance, means self dependence, determination, means to make firm decisions and get stuck to the decision made by oneself, then love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Now, this novel, when it was written, children, it was not written only for having fun or entertainment, only for entertaining purpose. This novel was written so that the younger generation, the younger people like you, would learn some moral values, some life values, like to be dependent on oneself, that is self reliance, to be determined means to stuck to our own decision until you get success, and to love your family, to have good relation with your family members, to cooperate each other, and prudent use of resources. Your prudent means wise. So people should make wise use of the resources, should make best use of the resources which are available with them. So these are the life values which were thought to be passed on to the younger generations. For this purpose, this novel was written. It has also good lessons relevant in natural sciences, good husbandry, and even mathematics. So, the meaning of relevant is related. So, in this novel, you will find there are certain lessons, chapters which are related to the use of natural sciences. Okay, the sciences which we find in the nature. Then, good husbandry means to take good care of the livestock, rearing animals, and even mathematics use is done. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent. Stretch reality to a certain extent means it can't be true. The things which are mentioned over here can't be true.